Hello everyone, this is my PHP project on topic social networking. So in this video I will explain all the function and modules of this project, that how it is working. So this is the main page, we can say, where we have sign up and login button. Before making further move, I will show that this is the table which I have created as a database. So comments, posts and users. So as you can see that there are already 9 users who have created their account. So just go. So if you are not having an account, you have to sign up, as you have to register yourself. So you have to register, just put some name and then register yourself. You should put email, then date and male, gender and date of birth also you should put, and then sign up. So if you sign up, so it will prompt this message and you use this. Now you can also check that whether the table is getting updated or not, because earlier it has having 9 user ID or 9 users. Now you can say that after refreshing it has got 10 and the name is Jam. It has all the details like its relationship status, passwords, email ID, gender, country and all the posts and everything. So now going to back, so this is the login page. So if a user has their account already, he or she can log in by entering the password and email, and password and email should match with the database which is fed. So if you type wrong, it will show the error. So you have to type the correct password. So just typing correct password, and typing correct password will take you to the home page of a user. This is the home page. Here you can see that news feeds is there. So in news feed you will see all the posts that you have made or other peoples are have made. So you can see that all the posts that Dreamer, Lucky and different peoples like Sakshi and Dreamers, all the posts you can see. Now coming to this modules, here you can see that you can post anything, text. So you post just like you post awesome, and if you want to post image also, so you can post image also. So if you have to select some image, like I have selected some image from my system and just open it and just click on post. So as you post it, it will get post, and now you can see that in newsfeed also it gets updated that you have posted. As well as if you go to the user profile account, as you can see this is the user profile account, you also see that the post got added with timestamp. You can see that now it is posted. So this is the user profile page where you can see the all details about the particular user who logged in, information. So in this page what you can do, that you can change your cover, you can update your profile. So just go through it. So changing cover, you can select any photo again from your system. I just selected this photo and just open it and just simply click on update cover. After clicking, your cover get updated, you will get a prompt message, and this you can see. As well as you can change your profile photo also. For this you can select. So if you are selecting this, you can again select any photo you can select from your system. Just I am selecting from my system, and then you can click on update profile. So you also get prompt that your profile got updated, and now you can see that this is changed. Moving forward, we will go to this functionality, delete, view and edit. So if you want to delete this post, you can simply click on delete and just click on OK. So now coming to this, you can see that previous post which we have made commenting awesome is deleted. Now edit, you can also edit that. If you have made some comment and you later on want to edit that, so you can edit. So just like edit, it is like good. So you just write pleasant and update. So your post get updated. So it's nice, day please. As you can say in newsfeed also. And if you go to your profile page, it is also so there also. So we have seen 2 things, that how you can delete, how you can view, how you can delete. So now going for third option, that is view. In view you can see that these things are there. Now if you go, there is a comment box, so you can comment anything like AWE, anything you can comment. And if you comment, your comment will get it. So AWE. So you can see this comment will get it. As well as you can go and check that comment table is there also. So this is also simultaneously getting updated in database. So just say in there AWE, who has done, that Dreamer has done. So this you can. Now coming to this, all we have seen the functionality. Now home page. In home page I have also given one functionality called pagination. As you can see, here is the pagination, that if the posts are increased and go to the next page, you can move by clicking on this like this. If you click on this, you can go to the second page and see what are the posts are there. Simply you can come back to any pages. So these are the things, these are the functions. Moving forward, we have the modules find people. If you click on this, you will have a search bar. So if you type any name or any small name, and if that will match with any uh, people name, it will show you that, like I am typing SA, and so it will show that SA is there in Sakshi, SA is there in Sam. So if you click any user, it will get to know about their information and what posts they have already done. So Sakshi, this is the information of Sakshi and what Sakshi has already posted. So EC has posted only one. You can comment on this, that her post also. Like if you go here and you can make comment, like you can make comment like anything you can make, like QWE I have made simply, and just comment it. So your comment was added. So this time you can see it will update it. As well as you can, if you go there again in comment table and see where it is gone. So again, so you can see that QWE and who has made Dreamer, and you can also see that 6 user ID with post ID, all things are getting. We have also some, moving to further, we have my posts. So what are the posts you have made till now? This will show this. So these are the posts which we have made. Apart from this, there is a search bar. So here search bar, you can type anything, and if that keyword matches with any post or any title status, it will show that I am showing this great series and searching for this, it will show that. So see here a great series is there. So these are the functions. Apart from this, the one module is there to edit. So edit account, what actually does, I will show that. Here suppose it is single, all things are written, and suppose you want to change and edit anything, like description you want to change. So you want to change that no eraser, again as you can, learner you can put it. So learner. So I will show that whether it is changing in database also or not. So if you go on a user tables, because user table is also, this is the user ID which I am logged in Dreamer, and it has describing the user as a racer. Earlier it was, but now if you put learner and fill all the fields of this simply, and then update, so your profile updated. So okay, then whether it is working in database or not, this also can be seen very easily by reloading your page. So now come and see that here is the Dreamer, and now this racer is turned into learner. So all functions are working good. I have also put one functionality like forgotten password. So if someone forgotten password, he or she can use this as a security question. It will ask, so who is your best friend? So simply you can write that ZXC is my best friend, but before this I have to fill all the details, otherwise it will prompt that you have to fill all necessary fields. So just turn on and just ZXC and just submit. So ZXC, as you can see, updated. Whether it is updated in database table or not, you can see like this. This is the one Dreamer who is logged in, and where you can see, you can go to the recovery account field, and you can see that, yeah, recovery account field, and who is having recovery. So yeah, great. So QWE, as you can see that QWE is there. So earlier it was QWE recovery account. It is already showing that it is Dreamer is having QWE, but if you want to change this as a QWE to some other, you can do just like this. First you fill this, turn on, and just ZXC and submit. So just submit and just reload your page. Last time I have not reloaded, that's why it is not updating. So this time it updated ZXC, and the one who is having the Dreamer account, ZXC, as you can see. So now this is the function. Now coming to the logout. So just you logged out and again log in. If you are not having you don't have account, so just create, it will fetch you to the register page, but you are having an account, but suddenly you have forgotten your password. So just use this and it will help. So you have to give email and as well add that security question answer, and it should match with the database, otherwise it will not take you to the for changing password. So just change it. So I am changing the password, and I will show that whether it is getting changes or not. For that I will show first that, see, this is the users table, and here Dreamer is having password with 9 and 00, but this time I have put it 9 and 000 and just changes the password. So your password is changed a moment ago, it's shown, and just refresh this database, and after refreshing the database you can see that this time Dreamer and having its password with 9 with 000. So just you have updated your password, as you have already forgotten, but you have updated. So these are the things which are there in projects. I hope you like the project. I have already told everything that these are the things are there. Apart from this, I will take you some database. That users table is there, posts table is also there, and comments. Post table will tell that who had posted what things and what content, as you can see, if image with timestamp, as well as comments table. You can see that it will show that who commented to whom and what comment he or he has done. So these are the things I have made and created this project with PHP and MySQL. I hope you like the project, and that's all for the video. Thank you.